like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Commentators John Champion and Jim Beglin here at Estadio da Luz.
Hi John, I can tell you I'm absolutely delighted to be here.
Let's take a look then at the two teams. Away we go then. Picked off there. Yaya Toure. Here's Fernandinho. This is Navas. Tried to play it through. Good width. Launches a low cross. He couldn't quite beat it right.
Oh, I thought he timed his run to perfection to arrive late then and get an effort in on goal. Defences always have a hard time trying to deal with that. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled and now they've got to back it up.
He's onside here. He can take the shot on here. Driven in.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
A fine stop by the keeper.
And that wasn't exactly a routine save. He still had an awful lot to do to keep that out. Superb. His awareness was found wanting there. The whole stadium could see that the way to go was wide.
Throw in. And Yaya Toure. Cross, and the cross repelled. Here's Fernandinho, looking to thread it through, shoots. What a reprieve that was. Giroud slides it through, easy pickings really. Clichy. 15 minutes played. He plays it through. Mesut Ozil. It's through. Now he's ready for a shot. A chance again.